finding jobs in this business can be pretty difficult sometimes. I mean, you know, there's no right or wrong way to do this, but I found that when I was starting, I'll just give my personal, how I did it. I used live sound as a supplement for my income, and finding some really cool bars that I liked where I could, you know, not only get paid, but I could maybe eat, I could maybe drink for free, eat for free. So as a starving artist, you know, there was more than just a paycheck in that. But and that was cash money. They'd pay me cash at the end of the day, and you know, I'm leaving with $100 in my pocket and a full stomach, you know, and that was huge for me. But on top of just the financial, you know, the money coming in from live sound, I found that it helped me train my ear very well. I learned frequencies that, you know, I had to think on my feet and just like, oh, that's 250 hertz, you know, and I felt that only helped me in the studio analyzing, you know, weird frequencies in vocals or guitars or drum mics, whatever the case may be. So I used that to my advantage for sure. Another thing about live sound that I really loved was the fast-paced, you know, you're in the hot seat, there's no time to, you know, you've got to think on your feet right there and solve the problem immediately. Where in the studio, you've got so many takes. Oh, if it's not right this time, just record it again. Oh, it's not right that time, record it again. So live situations are so different. But I also would meet a lot of cool artists when I was, you know, that would come through there. Maybe a cool band would open up and I would like them. I would say, hey, you know, I work in this studio, or I have this room here. Why don't you come in the studio? And I think that leads me to another thing. It's very important when you're first meeting a potential client. Don't talk about money. Don't talk about any of that kind of stuff. Just tell them how much you love them. Be honest from the heart. Like, hey, I love this. I think we could work together. I think we can make something really special. Why don't you come and meet me at the studio, or let's meet for lunch, meet for coffee. Just keep it really, really relaxed and you know, casual, so you're able to sell yourself when you get in the studio in your comfort zone, where you can hit play on stuff that you're proud of, where they've already liked your personality, but now you're in the studio and they're like, wow, I love this person, and they're also really dope. And I think when you can make those two things match, like, you're good forever.